Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Code 369. Our motto is to learn by doing sample projects. I will be giving some sample projects and we will be writing code according to that. We will be learning how to code in order to make that project work. Our topic is HTML, inserting images. This is full stack development course and the today's class is class 7. Prerequisites for this video are install the VS Code first and install its content extensions, create folder and open your folder, create an HTML file. To do all these things, I have given links in the description box. Please check it and do it. This is the project which we are going to do. Here I have heading, here I have heading, here I have heading. Now there is an image, there is an image and there is an image. What is this is inserting image from computer and showing a message failed to open. I will be inserting an image from the computer files we have, right? From that I will be inserting an image in the web page and showing a message failed to open. If the file is failed to open, I can show a message, okay, any message like the file failed to open, the file is not supported, like that we can give any message. So that is what we are going to do. And we will be inserting this image. This is the image which I am going to insert. And the title of the web page here is inserting images. Now let us go to the VS Code editor and construct the base structure of HTML by pressing like this and enter. Now what you can do is, these are all unnecessary, these are all unnecessary, so delete this, and from here this is also not necessary, delete, and by default HTML gives title to the web page, so this is also not necessary, document, delete this. And I have clearly explained what is base structure of HTML and what is tag name, what is tags, and what is element, what is content, all these things in a video, and I have put that in the description, and you can check there and know how to construct the base structure of HTML. And this is the base structure of HTML. Now what we are going to do is inserting images. This is what the title of the web page, so we are going to insert the title of the web page. How to do that? Go to this title element and type insert image and press Ctrl S. Now you have to open this in the web. You have to open this web page. So how to do that? Go to the VS Code folder that you created and open that file. Actually, file 1. I forgot to say, this is the file which we have created to make our code, file1.html, and .html is very important. If you did not put .html, the code editor will not be considering this as a HTML file. So this is important. Now open this file1.html file here. This is here. Double click on it, and it will be opening. Now you can see the title as insert image we have given. Next, what you have to do is put this heading. Now I am just copying this text and go to the VS Code editor. In the body element, what you have to do is to insert a heading, what you have to do is press H1 and enter, and between the two tags I am going to paste the heading, and I am pressing Ctrl S to save this file and go back here to the web page and reload it by right click and reload. The title has come here. Next thing what you have to do is you have to insert this image into the VS Code editor to display it in the web page. Now what you have to do is below this go to the next line and type img and press enter. In this image element only, you will not be having a close tag. Here you are having close tag, here you are having close tag, here you are having close tag. But in image alone, you will not be having any close tag at all. You will be only having open tag. and this src means source. Okay, from where you are going to import the picture. That is what src. This alt you don't need now, just delete this. I will be explaining it later. Now you have to write the source from where the image has to come. And let us go to the project. I have already told that I have already told that the image has to be imported from computer files. Okay, to do that, what we are going to do is we have to see where it has to be coming from. And another important thing, very important, which you may forget is the image file which you are going to import in the VS Code should be stored in the VS Code folder. First, okay, all the files which you are storing, all the VS Code files which you are storing will be stored in the VS Code folder. And in that VS Code folder only, the image also has to be stored. The image which you are going to import into the web page should be stored. Otherwise, it will not open. Now, next thing which you have to do is to import the image in the VS Code. What you have to do is just paste that file name of the image. Now you have to know the file name of the image. And along with that, what you have to do is it shows capital JPG file. Okay. Otherwise, just open this, press right click and open. Just open. Here you can see the image name. Okay, bird.jpg, and this jpg is small, so don't change it. Okay, just type bird.jpg as the file name. Here also just type the file name as bird.jpg. It automatically comes here, bird.jpg, because that file is stored in the VS Code folder, so it automatically shows. Now what you can do is press Ctrl S to save that and go back to the web page. Here is where our web page, and press Ctrl R to reload. The image has come now. Okay, we have completed these two things. These two things we have completed now. And inserting image from computer and showing a message failed to open. If this file is not opening, if this file is failed to open, we have to show a message. Okay, in internet at all, if some files are not opening, they will be showing message like this file is not supportive, an error has occurred, so this file cannot be opened. Like that, they will be showing image. They will be showing some message. Like that, we also have to show some message if the file did not open. So how to do that? Go to the VS Code editor and click here and leave some space. Type alt equal to double quotes. It has automatically inserted. What you have to write is sorry, it has failed to open. Like this, you are showing some message. Okay, if it failed to open, this message will be displayed. And now save this. What I am going to do is, I told that the image file that you are going to insert in the web page should be stored in the VS Code folder, otherwise it will not open. What I am going to do is, I am going to delete this by pressing the delete key. Now it has got deleted. Now let us see in the web page here. By pressing Ctrl or reload, it shows that sorry, it has failed to open. Sorry, it has failed to open. So what I have done? I have proved so I have proved that this message will be opening if failed to open. Okay. And next thing what we are going to do is just restore the file, because that is what our project is. Just restore the file, undo, delete, This has come. Go to the web page and press Ctrl R. It has come again. Next thing what we are going to do is resizing the image, because this image is pretty big. So what we are going to do is resizing the image. So how to do that? What I am going to do is just go here, type as height equal to this semicolon, this double quotes will be coming automatically, and type width equal to. Now what you are going to do is insert some value, dimension value of height and dimension value of width, so that the height and width of that image will be resized. Okay. So before resizing, what I have to do is just go back to that file, this image file, and by placing the cursor you can know that what are the dimensions. Okay, 800 into 554. This is what the dimensions are. Dimensions 800 into 554. Just type here. Just type here to remember this. 800 554. Actually this means width and height. Let us make this comes first. Width equal to and height equal to. Okay, 800 is the width of the file and 554 is the height of the file. Now you can see here, this width is higher than the height value. Okay, now I have to reduce this. Like this I am going to reduce. So actually I am going to be doing it as a square like size. Okay, the width and height will be equal. Like that I am going to do. So how to do that? Go to the VS Code and type here as 500 or anything you can put, 400 300 300, or even if you don't want a square like structure, you can decrease this width and increase this height, whatever you can do. Now just delete this and press Ctrl S, go to the web page again and reload here, Ctrl R. Oh, what happened? Oh sorry, the old file itself I have done this thing, sorry. Now what we can do is just I am going to copy this. And what I am going to do is undo all the things. Ctrl S, go there, reload. This old file has come. Now what we are going to do is put a heading resizing the image. Here I am going to put a heading H1 resizing the image and press Ctrl S, go back to the web page and reload. Here the title has come. Now what I am going to do is just paste what I have cut there. Here I have changed the width and height. Now we are going to see what will happen. Press Ctrl S and go here and press Ctrl R. Here we have got, this is the old image and this is the new image. Okay, square like image, the width and height will be equal. We have done both these two things. Now the next thing which we are going to do is inserting image from online. Okay, inserting image from online, we have to give heading like this. Go and below this, press H1 and enter. Inserting image from online, and another thing which we can add is and show message if failed to open. If it fails to open, we can show a message. That also we will be doing. Press Ctrl S and go back to the file. Press Ctrl R. Now we can see this title. Next thing what we are going to do is, this is the image which I imported from online. Now we are going to import an image from online. Before that, what I am going to do, create the image img element, by then click, then press enter. This is asking the source of image file. The source which we are going to take from is internet, okay, Google. So go to Google, type html picture and click here on the images, and what I am going to do is just right click and copy image address and paste here, and you can press alt z to make this line coming to the next line. Okay, it has come. Actually there was some problem in that image, so what we are going to do is try another image. Here there is an image, and what we are going to do is right click, copy image address, go back to the VS Code and paste this here. Now what I am going to do is press Ctrl S and go to the web page, press Ctrl R for reloading, and the image has come here. Okay, now what I said was, another thing which I said was, here is how we can see show image if failed to open. I'm going to give a message if it is failing to open. So what message I will be giving? Already I told that in the alt you have to type the message. So there is some problem in internet, so file does not open. Like that you can type the message. Press Ctrl S and go here and Ctrl R press. So it opens because everything fine in the internet. But what will happen if I turn off my internet now? Just I am going to turn off my internet and see what will happen. Press Ctrl R. Press again Ctrl R. Actually I did not save. Reload. Actually it has already opened, so it does not show any error. Let's close this and we will be opening again this file. Again open file 1. What has happened? Sorry. So one thing which we have to understand is here, if you have already opened the image in the web page and turn off the internet, what it will show is it will be showing nothing because the image is already printed in the web page. So whatever you do, even if you reload the image, reload the web page, it will not show any error at all. The image will be displaying in the web page. So now what I am going to do is, from this HTML images, I am going to be copying an image address of an image. Copy image address and go to VS Code. In source I am going to paste this image address, and in alt, this is where you have to type your message. I'm going to show message failed to open because of poor network. Like that, as I am going to give some message. Now press Ctrl S. Now you can see my Wi-Fi is off. I don't have any internet. Press Ctrl S. Go to the web page and press Ctrl R. What you can see here is failed to open because of poor network. You can see here. Okay. Now I am going to connect. Now I am going to connect my internet again. And I am going to reload. This image has come. Okay, this is what we needed. Now let us compare our project with the sample project. Okay, this we have done, and this also we have done, and this also we have done. Next, let us go to the assignment. The assignment is do the sample project, okay, that we have done in this class by yourself, and check the code which is shown in the last of the video for verification. I'll be showing you the code which I have written in the last of the video, and you can check for your verification whether the code you have written is correct or not. Now let us go to the code which I wrote. This is what the code I have written. Okay, this is what the code I have written. You can verify with this, and that's it. Let us see in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching these videos, friends. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.